guys, this is a video, and I'm gonna point the camera right here. I'm not gonna keep it by itself. Just watch. It is Monday, March. Ooh, did you see that? What's the sound? It's a few minutes. It's supposed to start. Whoa. I hope you got that in the corner. It's supposed to hail. So right now it's rain. It's supposed to get stronger in a second. I'm gonna, if the rain gets a little bit harder and hits me, whoa. Holy cow. We have, instead of that news. Holy crap. Just gonna do it again. Telling you. There's the noise. It looks like right over there, like there's the most light. Probably lightning hit over there. And like caught on fire. I was at my friend's house and I saw like over there, like the lightning just struck. Like it hit the ground for sure. It was like a split in half. One of the halves went from right and the other half went left. I will leave the date and what day it is. Whoa. Over there's the main spot where the lightning's hit all this video. I'm just gonna keep it over here for right now because maybe that's where right here. Whoa. I wasn't even looking, I was looking at the TV. But I heard a song I liked. I'm gonna start talking and then I'm just gonna move the camera around. Oh crap. Put the camera over here. Whoa. Okay, maybe I should go in. This is kind of dangerous for me. Just for me. Maybe we can go somewhere else. Hey, Bailey. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh wow, I meant to. Now it's only hitting over there. Whoa. I mean, I have protection. I have this lock. Right there. But it's already unlocked for me. See if I zoomed in, maybe. Here's the hotspot. Oh, wow. Okay, hold on. I mean, once it, like, because the clouds are moving towards us, so, like, nearly when it gets towards us, it's gonna get worse. Holy shit. Holy crap. Mike, did you just see that?
I saw it.
Did you see light in it? It like the whole sky lit up white.
Really?
I'm not kidding. Holy crap. Holy crap, guys. It's supposed to hit us really bad. That was a hard hit. I gotta rewatch this after that. I want to see how epic this is. Like, they literally just turned on their light. Whoa. It's, oh. So, like, by the time it's where you're gonna, like, because that, like, from here, this spot, from there is the hot spot for, go, give me my, like, there's the hot spot for it. So, like, by the time it moves, like, if it literally just struck in my front, like, right there in the road.